If your outdoor watch crashes and cannot be turned off, or your watch can be turned on but you can't use the reset function to solve the problem, you can try the following steps to solve this problem. Method 1. Forced shutdown. You can force your watch to shut down the power. Hold the light key until the screen is off. Then press the light key again to reboot the watch. If the problem cannot still be solved, please try the other two methods. However, these two methods might delete some of your user data, so if you want to keep your data on your watch, we suggest that you back up your data before resetting. Method 2. Reset default settings. You can reset all the device settings to the factory default values, but won't delete your user data such as activity records or music. To begin, make sure your watch is off. If the watch cannot be turned off, please refer to Method 1. Hold the back key and press the light key to turn your watch on. When the screen shows Reset Default Settings, release the back key and select Yes. Your watch will start resetting and reboot. If this method still doesn't work, you can try the other method. Method 3. Delete data and reset settings. You can delete all your user data on the watch and reset all the device settings to the factory default values. Make sure your watch is off. If it cannot be turned off, please refer to Method 1. Hold both back and start key. Press the light key to activate the power. When you hear the first beep, release the start key. And when you hear the second one, release the back key. Your watch will start resetting and reboot. If all these three methods cannot solve your problem, please contact your seller for help.